Historic moment, Dhanush, the pride of the nation, enters the service of the Indian Army on the 8th of April 2019 in a ceremony at the gun carriage factory, Jabalpur. Dhanush has evolved from a 39 caliber gun based on the initial transfer of technology documents received from Bofors to a truly indigenous 45 caliber gun system, marvelous, lethal and majestic. A triumph of Indian technological strength. With over 80% indigenous content, it is the result of synergies between the Ordnance Factory Board, the Indian Army, the Defence Research and Development Organisation, public sector units such as the Steel Authority of India Limited, the Bharat Electronics Limited, and several private sector firms. Mechanical upgrades have given Dhanush an extended range from 27 kilometers to 38 kilometers. Electronic upgrades provide pinpoint accuracy, faster laying speeds, target acquisition, and direct day and night firing capability. Communication equipment has made it compatible with the Indian Army's Project Shakti. With a weight less than 13 tons, a high ground clearance of 400 millimeters, a range of elevation from -3 degrees to 70 degrees, and an arc of traverse of 60 degrees. Dhanush is one of the most maneuverable guns and can be deployed in any terrain. Dhanush is the most extensively tested gun system from the snowbound Siachen to the hot Pokhran sands. Dhanush has fired over 4,500 rounds. Capable of firing 155 mm NATO ammunition, Dhanush can accommodate both bi-modular and bag charges. Dhanush, the complete modern artillery gun system, silencing enemies, maintaining peace.